Today we will see another possibility. L by 3. So, okay, it is has MP. It is 2 MP. The cross section is different. Cross section is double. Cross section is double. Okay. Determine the collapse load. If he gave the cross section is rectangular, and the dimensions also he gave like this. If it is gave like this, it's something. It is a 50. It is a 200. He gave like this. Some you can assume just free. You can easily know Fy also he gave it 250. You can find out MP. So what is MP? Fy into BD square by 4. That is MP. Otherwise, if it is given the circular section he gave the cross sections. He gave the dimensions. You can find out the MP. Can you find out? Easily find out. So no need of this is also extended problem. If he gave the something rectangular section, he gave the dimensions, the cross section is, see this is the cross section. If you see Fy is 250 and these dimensions he gave it, you can calculate the MP also. So I said that I gave some MP value, so that is also extended value. I said once again. So if it is MP is 20 kilonewton meter, I gave it directly. Otherwise I can ask a chance. Okay, that's it. Maintenance. Find the collapse load. That is okay. See, now you can find out. So we'll start the game. So it is a fixed beam. Only vertical loads are there. So it is indeterminacy of 2. In general, it is indeterminacy is 3. 3, 3, 6, 6 minus 3, 3. We don't consider horizontal loadings because most probably in the structure there is no horizontal loadings. Only when earthquakes are there, wind loads, those are the horizontal loadings. That is the dimension. That is the dynamics. You will later earthquake analysis is in a separate topic. Okay. So 2, we require 3 hinges. As we require 2 plus 1, 3 hinges to get into the mechanism failure situation. Okay, that's it. Where are the 3 hinges formed? One hinge is formed here, one hinge is formed here. Third hinge formed under the load is a one possibility. Where the cross section is changes is another possibility. You have to check both. Got the idea? So that's it. So see, the cross section is sudden changing. That's why there is a weak link between those two cross section. There is a chance to form a hinge at that location. Okay, so we will check both. Okay, the first possibility taking it under the load. Okay, under the load, just see it is under the load. I will take it as so it is theta 1, it is theta 2, it is L by 3, it's a 2L by 3. Okay, 3 hinges are formed. Hinge capacity of MP. No, it's a capacity of 2 MP. Are understood? So it's a capacity of 2 MP at this location. It's a capacity of 2 MP. Cross section is higher. Okay, so it is a capacity of is 20. It's a 40. Are understood? It's a 40 MP is the capacity of the cross section. Okay, So 2 mp, it's mp. Okay, so that's it. This is theta 2, this is theta 1. So write down directly, you can write down, no need of anything, just see it is. You can easily write down L3 theta 1 is equal to the 2L3 theta 2 delta. So you can change one in terms of the another, anything, you can just do it. See, write down external work done. So W into delta you can write it in terms of theta 1, write down, otherwise in terms of theta 2 you can change it. Internal work done 2 mp theta 1 mp theta 2, that's it. And this 2 mp theta 1 plus theta 2. So we write in theta 1s, so theta 2 in terms of theta 1 you can write it. Theta 2 LL cancel, theta 1 by 2, okay, is theta 2. So write down theta 2 is theta 1 by 2, theta 1 by 2. That's it. Got the idea? So what is that value? So 2 mp theta 1 mp theta 1 by 2. So 1 plus 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 2 cancel, 3 mp. Okay, 3 mp, 3 5 5 and half, 5.5 mp theta 1. It's WL3 by theta 1. Theta 1 cancel. What is W? See, collapse load is what? Its collapse load is 16.5 mp by L. Okay, that is greater than, that's one collapse load. It is one possibility. Which one is exactly? We will see. Next possibility also check it is. Second possibility, the hinge is formed at the cross-sectional changes. Okay, this is L by 2, this is L by 2, this is theta 1, this is also theta, same L by 2 na. So at this location the load is acting at this location. Understood? So that's it. Okay, just say it. This is delta dash, you can take it. Okay, so this has a capacity of 2 mp, this has a capacity of mp. Sir, what is this capacity? This is theta, what you have to take in that capacity, 2 mp or mp? That is the question rises. So whenever the cross section is changing, we have to take that capacity is only mp only, not mp, not 2 mp. Which one is minimum? We have to take it. Just see, this is a section just before it's a 2 mp, just after it has a capacity of mp. So at that location what we have to take in? We have to take in as which one is least? Sir, why, sir? Why means the hinge is formed. If it is formed, the hinge is formed just which has a minimum capacity. Understood? If the load is happening something, the breakage is happening at this location, where it is breaking just right side, because right side has a small length, small cross section. Understood? So that's a chance hinge is formed at the weaker section, not in a higher section. Understood? If anything, take it as any member, just apply load where it is failed in the weaker side. Exactly, the crack is happening at this location, someone said. So where it is, the crack is happening just outside, because that has a weaker side. So you have to take in that capacity is only mp, not 2 mp. Understood? That's it. What is external load? External load is W into delta dash, not delta. Understood? Work done is load under the displacement, that is external work done, not delta. Okay, so that's it. So you can see delta 1, what is right? This is L by 3 na? So delta is L by 3 theta. So both has same theta. Okay, is equal to the 2mp theta mp theta mp theta plus theta. That's it. So delta you have to write down L by 3 theta 2 3 is again 2 5 mp. Theta theta cancel. The W working load is 15 mp by L. So see, sir, which one is taking? So which one has a minimum we have to take it? So, okay, so someone said that, see, someone that said load is applied some 50, it is a fail. 60 also fail. That means what we have to apply? Maximum what we have to apply? We applied only 50. 50 also failed. 60 also failed. We allow up to 50 only, no, not 60. We already know it's 50 is failure and 60 also failure. We have to take care of only 50. Understood? It's a load. 50 is a load, not a capacity. So we can allow up to 50 only. So at 15 by mp by L, it has a formation of chances are there, formation of 3 hinges, and it's a failure. So at 16 point mp by L, it is also a formation of 3 hinges, it is also a chance. So how much we can allow? We can allow only 15 mp by L, because at the 15 mp by L load is, it's already collapsed. How can you increase the 16 mp? Okay, so that's it. So we have to take care of this load. This is a collapse load, understood? Not collapse load. So what is that collapse load? Now we can conclude. I already gave mp is 20. What is the collapse load for the system? This beam. What is the collapse load? How much W we can allow? How much W we can allow? That's it. Only 15 mp by L. That much you can allow. At that situation, it's a collapse. Okay, that's it. 15 20 divided by what is L? I don't given L. So L taken as a 5 meters. Anything, just a value. 15, it's a 20 kilonewton meter divided by 5. So 5 3 is 60 kilonewtons. 60 and above, it's a collapsed. So we can allow the load is up to 60 only. So we will design that structure, or we allow the load on the structure below 60 only. That's it, man. That's it. That's enough. Okay, that's enough. So now we will shift into the everything. We just drain only one beam. Now we can shift into the continuous beams. Continuous beam. Okay, we are now enter into the continuous beams. Very simple chance are there. Okay, now we'll see. Very small problem. First I have to take care. Later I will allow it. Continuous beams. Where it is it? Okay, don't take it. Take this is a continuous beam. Hinges are there. Okay. Hinges are there. Okay. Some uniformly distributed load as there acting. Uniformly distributed load W. It's the length of L. Take care of L. Find the collapse load. Find the collapse load. if something is like given. So now you can, in the continuous beam, just see it is, sir, how many number of indeterminacy is what? 1, 2, 3, 4 hinges are required. 4 hinges are required to collapse the whole structure. But see what will happen in the continuous beam. Not only continuous beam, anything. The total structure is collapsed is one phenomena, but the individual structures are individual. What is the individual structure? Individual structure is, this is the individual portion, this is the individual portion, this is the individual portion. If any one of the individual portion is collapsed, that is also considered as a total collapse. No need to check it is a total collapse at a time. So if you see, just consider it. If you take any water bottle, take. So something, a small hole is there on the cap. Small hole is on the cap. Is water failure? Water bottle is failure? Yes, it's a failure. And if you see that, if you take in a cell, you have a cell. What are the components of cell? Battery, screen, everything is there. Na? If the screen is damaged, can you consider it is a cell damaged or not? It's a damaged. Sorry, it is a functioning. No chance at all. If the screen is collapsed, it's a functioning. It's a waste material. It's a failure material. It's a failure object. So in a continuous beam or anything, in a total structure, if you take a total structure, one slab is failed in middle, the structure is collapsed. We can consider it as a structure is collapsed. Not a collapse, but you can consider it is a failure. No one is entered into the structure. It is a failure. We have to rebuild it. So same thing, don't consider at least 4 hinges are required to collapse entirely. But that is not an issue. Individual failure also taken as a failure of the beam. Failure of that structure. So if see, now sir, what is that? So any individual is failure is also a failure. Are understood? So now we can see. Sir, if it is A, B, C, D, taken it. So consider the taken C, just see A, B for the span of AB. If it's taken a span of AB is when it is collapsed, when it is entered into the mechanism. AB is entered into the mechanism when it is a hinge. It is also intermediate hinge. Intermediate support behaves as a fixed. So one hinge is formed at this location. One hinge is formed at this location. One hinge is at middle. So uniformly distributed load is acting. So the collapse mechanism, collapse diagram is look like this now. This delta. It is a collapse. If AB is collapsed, some hinges in the total 4 hinges, maybe 2 hinges formed at this location, maybe chances are there 3 at form at AB span, maybe chances are there. Are understood? So exactly, maybe the chances are there. You see, if 3 hinges are formed at the span of AB, it is collapsed, not an entirely span, but one part is collapsed means it is a collapsed. It is a failure. So we can take care of the total. Every individual, we take care that no individual is failure before the total failure. Understood? So we can check the possibilities of individual. We can maintain that is sufficient. So now you can see the 3 hinges are formed in this span. So what is the failure? What is the collapse load? W. We already discussed that. What is discussed? Collapse load is what? 16 MP by L. We already find out. No need of again find it. So very simple. It's a 2 MP. Remember, 2 MP is WL square by 8. So 16 MP by L. We already found it. So at 16 MP by L, it has, as I said again, this is a cross section something. It has a capacity of MP. You can just feel it is some MP based on the cross section. If 16 MP by L is the collapse load, this is the failure chances are there. Understood? So again, now we can consider BC. So BC also, B is a support and C is a support. Intermediate supports behaves as a fixed beams. Are understood? Fixed joints. So BC also same. It is a fix. So a hinge is possibility as chance are there B at C 2. So in between another hinge is formed at this chance. Okay, so it is, you can consider this is CD, you can consider this is E, F. Okay, so at F there is a possibility of hinge. Three hinges are formed, plastic hinges. The structure may collapse. Again the same thing we already discussed, and this is the same, this three hinges, 16 MPa by L. If 16 MPa by L is there, that much of load is acting on that structure. Maybe this is also one possibility. Okay, so next, last, CD, take care of CD. Just observe it. CD is, D is a hinge, C is a fixed, it's a propped cantilever. C is a intermediate support, it behaves as a fixed, joint. So now we can consider it is a fixed, it is a hinge, it's a propped cantilever, okay. So two hinges are sufficient to failure that beam or span. Two hinges are sufficient now. One hinge is formed at this location at C, one hinge is formed at somewhere where it is, that yesterday we calculated where it is, 0.414 L. Are understood? So that's it now. That's it. It's a failure like this. What is MP? What is W? W is what? W is, we calculated 16 MP by L. So this possibility. So now how much load you can allow? 16 MP by L, 16 MP by L or 11.65 MP by L? We can allow up to 11.65 MP by L only. Then only the three structures, the three spans are safe. Otherwise, if you allow the W, if the W is something like 12 MP by L, if you allow it, the CD is failure. The CD enters into the mechanism state. If one of the span, not AB, not BC, BC and CD, AB and BC are in stable situation only. They are not entering into the mechanisms. But CD goes to the failure. CD enters into the mechanism. So once the structure is collapsed, everything is collapsed, we can consider it. So the minimum load, we have to allow it. So that's it. Collapse load for this entire continuous column, entire continuous beam, the collapse load is 11.65 MP by L only. That's it. That's much easy. So that's why we discussed these propped cantilever, these fixed beams, simply supported, we discussed previously. That is the replica, that is the use for this continuous beams. Got the idea? So exactly, that's it. That's sufficient. No need to discuss it. So can you find out anything? So now I will took the problems. Directly, not with respect to the using of some fictional load. We have to take care of loads also. Okay, now I will write down the problems. Okay, can you write down? See, okay. So it's a length of 4 meters. It's a 4 meters. 40 kilonewtons is applied. 20 kilonewtons is applied. It's a 3 meters. Okay. So what he asked is, this is A, B and C. AB cross section is double the as BC. AB cross section is double as BC. So find the plastic moment capacity. Find the plastic capacity of the beam. Now they reverse the problem. Now they ask not the collapse load, what is the load? Now they ask what is the plastic moment capacity of the beam. We have to find out how much we have to design it, and there is no cross sections. We have to choose the cross sections. Understood? We have to find out the plastic moment capacity of the beam. So it's also simple, not as simple as it is previous problem. It's the opposite. See, okay. See, now you can see. Sorry, the loads are 60 and 30. Okay, let's take it. So see, the structure AB may collapse, the structure BC may collapse. Are understood? It's a first possibility, it's a second possibility. We can check both. We have to check it is both. So that's it. So first check the AB possibility. Okay, first possibility of AB span. Okay, see, this is AB span. So AB is a fixed, B is a also fixed, intermediate. So for 2 hinges it's not sufficient, 3 hinges are formed. So where is the third hinge? Third hinge is formed under the load. Under the load is 60. So it is easy. That's it now. It is a 3 meters, it's a 1 meters. The load is, what is the load? 60 kilonewtons. It's a capacity of 2 MP. It's a 2 MP. It's a sir, what is the capacity of this load? Capacity of this B? We have to take care of 2 MP or MP? We have to take care only MP only, because if the hinge is formed at B, that means the hinge is just right side, because that is a lower cross section. So we have to take care this capacity is only MP. This is theta 2, this is theta 1, this is delta. So find out. So what is the external? What is the external? External. So it is very easy. 60 delta. Delta is what? Delta is 3 theta 1. That's it now. That's it. So internal 2 MP theta 1. This is theta 2 theta 1. 2 MP theta 1 plus theta 2 is MP theta 2. We have to write down theta 2 in terms of theta 1. So 3 theta 1 is equal to the 1 theta 2. Both are delta. So theta 2 is 3 delta 1. 3 theta 1. So it is 3 theta 1. It's 3 theta 1. So 2, 3 plus 4, 8. 8 na? 8. It's a 3. 8, 3, 11. 13. 13 MP theta 1. It's 180 theta 1. So theta 1 cancel. What is MP? 13 is MP. What is that value? 13.846. Okay. 180 divided by 13. So 13.846. That is the kilonewton meter. We can find out the moment carrying capacity. Not moment carrying capacity. The plastic moment. 13.816. That means what? I understood. It's not a don't see the problem. If we use the cross sections, or we select the cross sections like that, it has a capacity of MP is 13.84 or greater than, then only it's safe. Or if less than 13.84, it is failure. I understood. So it's not a load. It's not a load. It's a capacity. So we have to maintain compulsory 13.84 or above that. If you use that below the 13.84, it's a collapsed. It's a collapsed for this particular load. Load is already given. We applied 60. So whether it is safe or not, whether it is safe, the MP should be 8.84, 13.84 or greater than that, then only it's safe. Otherwise, it's a failure. At the gut point, just it's not a load, it's a capacity now. Previously, how much load we can apply? We can apply up to 50 or below it, it is safe. It is a capacity now. We have to maintain or we have to select the cross sections such that it has a capacity of 18.84 or greater than that. Got the idea? That's it. It is one possibility only. Not checking second possibility. Second possibility also check it. Second possibility is what? Second possibility is BC failure. BC failure is BC is like B is a fixed, C is a hinge. It's a proper cantilever. Two hinges are required to enter into the mechanism. So B is one hinge and under the load is second hinge. Okay. It's very easy. It's a load of 30 kilonewtons. That's it. It's a capacity of MP only at B. It is MP. It is MP. Exactly. This is 2. This is 2. So that's it. Delta, theta, theta. So directly you can write 30 multiply with 2 theta. Okay. So you can write MP theta theta 2 theta. So directly I write 4 theta. No need of again. So what is MP? Theta theta cancel. MP is 15. That's it now. 15. 15 or 30. Check it is. Sorry, one thing you have to understand. C is a hinge. C is a previously hinge. There is no MP capacity. Understood? So only 2 hinges are required to collapse that proper cantilever. At the hinge is one location is B, another location is this. There is no possibility. There is not a possibility. C is previously only its hinge. Okay? There is no capacity of at the location of C. So I mistyped it. Okay? I mistyped it. So 1, it's a 2, 3. So 3 cancel, it's a 20. 20. So that's it. That's it. Now you can see. If the cross section should be selected such that it has a capacity of 20, then only it's sustained for that given load of 30. If below 20, it is a failure. So now you can fix that. Now you can fix how much we have to maintain that MP. It is MP for this and 2 MP for this, 2 MP for this. We calculated like 2 MP only. Okay. So now you can fix that. What is MP? Whether 20 we have to take in or whether we have to take in 13. So we have to choose 20 only because if you choose 13, if you choose something 15, okay, it is okay, sustain. But for 15, for this proper cantilever is failure. So you have to choose higher value. It is a capacity. Capacity should be maintained higher. Load should be lower. Okay. So we have to choose this 20 kilonewton meter. Then only the structure is stable for throughout that loading. That loading means this 60 and this 30, AB span and BC span, both spans. Safe if you choose MP is 20. If you know the MP is 20, you can choose the cross sections. You can choose the cross sections. Fy is 250. Fy into BD square by 4 is MP. You can choose the BD and D. That is the cross section. You can design it and you can place it. That's it now. That is the idea of design. But you don't know the design. It is not a design. It's just a rough. You can easily learn by the next semester. RCC steel structures then only. Okay. It is not a regular design. It's a plastic design. Nowadays no one uses. No, nowadays in general situations no one uses this design. At heavy, not in important works, they know. At very selected works, not important works. then only they will use this plastic analysis. Otherwise they will use regular design. See this next year. Okay, that's, you got the idea. That's it. 20 kilonewton meter. So this is the plastic moment capacity of the beam. Okay, we have to maintain. MP is 20, 2 MP is 40. For this is the 20, this is 40. You have to maintain. Then only the total structure is stable. Got the idea? So now I will choose another problem. Today is we can conclude it. So same. So this is the problem. Again I given double cross section here. A, B, C. I will give the load of 40. I will give the load of 20 kilonewton per meter. It's a 2 MP. It's MP. Find out the MP. Find the MP should be maintained. Should be maintained for safe being of continuous beam. That is the meaning. Okay, that is the meaning. I write it. Otherwise they will ask for the just find out the MP. But you want understand the meaning of what is MP. That means you have to maintain that MP, then only the structure is stable for that load, for that given load. Otherwise it is failure for that particular loading. Okay, so can you find out? Easily find out. See the possibility. First possibility of failure of AB. Failure of AB. So failure of AB means what? It is a fixed. B is fixed, intermediate. A is a hinge. So that is a proper cantilever type. Proper cantilever type. So only one hinge is required. So not two hinges are required. The first hinge is formed at P. The second is formed under the concentrated load. So it has a capacity of MP. It is a capacity of MP. So exactly the distances I don't given. So it's a 4 meters. You can take it's a 6 meters. It's a 2. It's a 2. So exactly half of theta. It's theta. Okay. The load is load is taken as 60. This is 30. Okay. This is 60. Taken. Can you write down? Exactly, you can easily write down. How can 60 into this is 2 na? 2 theta. So can you write 1, 2, 3 MP. 3 MP theta. Okay. So what is MP? 320. So 40. Okay. That is 40 kilonewton meter. That is one possibility. You can write down directly. So second possibility is BC failure. Second possibility is failure of BC. So see the failure of BC is a proper cantilever. Again, two hinges are required. One hinge is formed at P. The second hinge is formed not at center, at somewhere. Where it is? You already know it's a 0.414 L. So that is you have to remember. Otherwise you remember this. Otherwise you can remember this 13 per 11 point. What is that? 11.65. 11.65 MP per L. You have to remember any one of this. If you know any one of this, that is useful. Otherwise you have to write down again free body diagrams where it is the third hinge is formed, not in exactly center. I discussed last class why it is, what is. Okay, so that's it. So now the second is, it is a hinge. It is a second hinge is formed at 0.414 of L. L is what? 6 meters I gave. It's a 6. Remaining 1 minus 0.14 into 6. This is okay. Uniformly distributed load is this. This is already hinge. Okay. This is MP. What is not MP? It's a 2 MP. It's a 2 MP. It's a MP intersection. It is theta 1. It is theta 2. Are the got the idea? It's a theta 1. It's theta 2. So that is a possibility. If you see, if you know this value WC is 11.65 MP by L, when it is, this is when both has only MP. This is MP. This is also MP. But this is 2 MP. This is MP. 3 MP. So it is some small difference will come. That's why we have to find out it. We can find out it. Okay. So now we can see. Not exactly this value will come because it's MP only it's a 3 MP. Now it's a 2 MP theta it's a 4 5 MP will come. It's a 5 MP will come. Small alter will come. You can manage it. See, now you can see this is a delta. So what is external work done? External work done is it has a 30 kilonewton. 30 I gave it 30 kilonewton made 30 kilonewtons and area. We have to write down area na? We have to write down the total area. Can you write down 6 length and half and delta, that is okay. So now it's a MP theta 1 2 MP theta 1 plus theta 2. It is theta 2, this is theta 1. Okay. So now also you can write down 1 minus 0. It's 0.586 multiply with 6. Okay, 0.585 multiply with 6. So write down it 0.586 L theta 1 is equal to the 0.414 L theta 2. That's it na? Exactly delta is equal to delta. So theta 1 in terms of the theta 2, you can write it. You can write down and find out what is an exactly MP. MP. No need at all. I will write down. This value is exactly 5.83 MP theta 1. Okay. This is 31.44 theta 1. Okay. So what is theta 1? Theta 1 cancel. What is MP? MP here is 54.28 kilonewton meter. That's it. Otherwise, if the total span is same MP and MP, no need to find out these values. We already find out this. You can easily find out what is MP. MP is WL by 11.65. You can write down like this. No need of these calculations. If you remember this, and if this is also MP, this is also MP. Okay, are understood? Directly you can write down this value. No need of calculations. If you know, if you understand it. Otherwise, you have to remember this. Where is the third hinge is formed? See, second hinge is formed. So that's it. Now we can choose. So whether we have to choose 40 or we have to choose 50. We have to choose 54.28 only. We have to choose 54.28 is the only. Then only the structure is stable for the given loading. So this is the moment carrying capacity of MP. So MP means what? MP means for this AB. For AB is 54.28. For BC is 108.56. We have to maintain that plastic moment capacity. To maintain that much value, we have to choose the cross sections. We have to choose the how much width, how much depth. We have to choose it. That is the design part. Okay, no need required. Okay, that is the idea. Got the idea? That's it. So that's why you can do problems. You can do problems. Any number of problems you can do it. I will do another problem also. Another problem also. Okay. There it is. I will do problem, another problem. Simple problem. Some engineering service exam problem. That's why I choose it. Some engineering services exam, they give it. Okay, so same cross section, he gives 12 kilonewton. It's a 30, it's a 30, it's a 4.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, it's a 7.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. It's a 6 meters. Find out the plastic moment capacity of this section. Plastic moment capacity of this section that we have to maintain for the safe being of the beam. That is the full question. You have to feel it. Okay. The figure shows a continuous beam subjected to a collapse load system. If the beam have uniform section means same cross, same dimensions. Find the plastic moment capacity required. Find the plastic moment capacity required for the beam. Required. Okay. Can you calculate? So very simple. A, B, C, D. Choose it. So one by one. So take care. First we have the possibility of AB. So what is the possibility of AB? Possibility of AB, B is fixed. One hinge is required to collapse it. Collapse, unstable. One hinge is formed at B. Another hinge is where? Another hinge is where? Where you have to form? Whether we have to form it this under 30, this under 30. Second possibility where? So we have to check both. Otherwise, that's it. I understood. We have to check both possibilities. Maybe the hinge is formed. Maybe the hinge is formed under this 30. It's a 1.5. This is 1.5. This 1.5. So we have to check both possibilities. This is a long, lengthy problem. Okay, I will give directly the answers. Okay. So this is, so this has, there is no capacity. This is theta 1, this is theta 2, this is MP, theta 1 plus theta 2. Okay, it is a possibility. So directly you can write it, theta delta. Write directly you can see, just imagine. This is delta, this is what? Exactly half, na? This is delta by 2. No need of checking. So that way directly I will write what is the work done, external work done. 30 delta by 2 is equal to the what? MP theta 1 plus theta 2 plus MP theta 2. So you can write down everything delta. We can write down 1.5 theta 1. It is also 1.5 theta 1. So theta 2. So 1.5 theta 1 is equal to the 3 theta 2. So theta 2 in terms of theta 1, what does that happen? So this is 2. Theta 2 is theta 1 by 2. Okay. So that's it. Theta 2 is theta 1 by 2. Theta 1 by 2. Solve it. Solve it exactly in same in theta 1. So what is MP? Thus MP is 33.75 kilonewton meter. That is the one possibility of AB only. In AB, one is the one possibility. The second possibility is the same. Once again. Okay. This is 1.5. Now this is a 1.5 delta. Second hinge is formed at this location. It is MP. It is a MP theta 1 plus theta 2. Okay. See, this is again this delta by 2 because of. So same, what is external work done? What is external work done? This is 30 here. 30 delta by 2 is equal to the same MP theta 1 plus theta 2 plus MP theta 2. So now we can see what is delta? 3 theta 1 is equal to the 1.5 theta 2. This is theta 2. So what is theta 2? Theta 2 is 2 theta 1. Understood? Theta 2 is 2 theta 1. So write down. It's a 2 theta 1. It's a 2 theta 1. Delta is you can write down in terms of theta 1. What is that? 3 theta 1 is delta. That's it, na? 1.5, 1.3. 3 theta 1 is delta. So you can write down 3 delta 1. E delta 3 theta 1. So what is that value? The value is MP is 27 kilonewton meter. So which one we have to consider? We have to consider 33.75. If you only provide 27 and some 30, if you provide 30, it is a chance there. It is a chance there, it's a failure. So we have to take care of highest value. It's the capacity. We have the capacity. So for the only AB span, we have two possibilities. Okay. For the BC span is easy. Okay. For the BC span is easier. Okay. Understood? So BC span is easy. AB we got it. AB we checked it. For BC, it's very simple. So B is a fixed, C is a fixed, B is a fixed, and C is a fixed. They will form like this. We already know what is don't need a calculator. WC is 16 MP by L. So that means MP is what? WC into WL by 16. So what is W? What I gave it? It's a 12. 12 length is what I gave it? 7.5. So 7.5 whole square by 16. What is that value? 42.18 kilonewton meter. That's it. That's it now. That's it for BC. For next third possibility of CD. You have to take care of 3, but don't check. So CD, if you see CD is fixed beam. It is a fixed. I understood. So another hinge is required. Sir, where it is formed? Whether a hinge is formed here or here or here. Sir, where it is? No need of check it is, because it is exactly the symmetrical structure, and at the center, if it is a symmetrical and center has a certain concentrated load is there, so no need of check other things. You can directly write down check at center. That is most probably well good. It is a symmetrical, or understood, symmetrical, and at center it has a load. If it is not there at center load, you can don't need of check another way. Also, if it is fixed, one load is here, one load is here, so it is a symmetrical, check any one, because another also gives the same value if it is symmetrical. Otherwise, okay, I understood. So now it is a symmetrical, no need of check other things. You can just find out at center. That's enough. Okay, that's enough. So for possibility of this is CD, those things. So exactly center you can take care it. Don't feel it is 1.5. It is a 1.5. It is a 1.5. It is a capacity of MP. It's MP. Theta and theta. So both are same. Symmetrical. Delta. So what is external work done? What are the loads I gave? Sorry. The loads is 30, 30, 30. Okay. 30, 30, 30. So write down 30. What will happen? This is delta by 2. This is delta by 2. So 30 delta by 2, 30 delta by 2. That's external. So internal 1, 2, 2, 4. 4 MP theta 1. So delta you can write down theta. So exactly 3. 3 theta is delta. So that's it now. 3 theta, 3 theta, 3 theta. That's it. So what is that value? That value of MP? That value of MP is 45. That's it. Now we can select. It's a 45, it's a 42, it's a 27, it's a 33. Which one is you prefer to select that MP? We have to maintain throughout the beam. We maintain 45. Then only all structures are stable up to 45. If you only provide a 30, this is okay. CD is stable, but this is failure. AB is failure. So we have to maintain 45. Okay. So that's it. So we have to choose how much plastic moment is required for that section is 45 kilonewton meter. That's it. That's it, na? That's it. You can do problems of any beam, any different loading. You can find out the plastic moment capacity, or you can find out the loading W. If someone asks one of the, this has some W, it's W. If he gave the MP value, how much load you can allow, you can find out. Previously we saw it. So that's thing, continuous beams, fixed beams, any small beams, you can find out how much load we can allow or how much plastic moment is required. Understood the lines? Two lines. So we can take care of individual. No need of to do the total section as a considered total continuous beam as taken as a one, and we don't take it as four possibilities. If you see, now you can see once you can observe it's a one. How much is the indeterminacy? Indeterminacy is 1, 2, 3 is the indeterminacy. So we require 4 hinges to collapse it. Where that 4 hinges? If you take care this 1, 2, 3 and 4 and under the load, maybe it's how many possibilities are there? Just check it is. Possibilities are there. 1 possibility, 2 possibility, 3, 4, 5, center 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 possibilities, locations for the plastic hinge. Okay, 10 locations. We required how many? 4 hinges form. It is a collapsed. It is unstable structure. So you can arrange. So one time I feel that one hinge is here, one hinge is here, one hinge is here, one hinge is here. It's a collapsed. You can check it is. Otherwise I think one here, one here, one here, one here, one here. How many number of possibilities are there? It's the permutations, combinations. You can't do it. Permutations in a 10 positions, you have to arrange 4 balls. How many number of combinations we get? Number of combinations we get. You can't check those combinations. In out of 10 positions, we have to take care of only 4 balls. So many lakhs. I think in lakhs, lakhs or thousands possibilities, not lakhs, thousands possibilities are there. So that's why we have to maintain the individual beams. If you maintain that individual beam is stable for that given plastic moment capacity, that is okay. Total, all sections, all beams, all individual beams are safe under the given loading. The total beam is safe. We taken that line and we take care of individuals, not check with total. If you want to check with the total, the combinations are large, okay, hundreds, thousands, okay. That's it. That is the today's class.